Where are we now?
We are in Magdalene now.
Oh, is it nice here?
Yes.
Okay, sige. Let's go. Walk. Oh, say something while walking. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, you describe everything. Hmm. Hmm. So. Hmm. Okay, where are we? Okay. Hmm. Okay, it's not a house. Ayan, ayan. Hmm. Saan ba sila? So we're here. Yeah, oh, you can, oh, picture ta dito. What's that? What's that? Okay. What is that, EJ? Yes, that's it. Very good. Hmm? It's not a building. It's just a monument, I think. So right now we are here at Mactan Shrine. Kay ganahan kayo makiglaag akong baby EJ. It's my pre-birthday to him. So he really likes Lapu-Lapu monument. So baby, what can you say that you're here now? What can you say? EJ, who's that? Who's that? Lapu-Lapu. Okay, EJ. So, okay, you read that. Nanti siya mo read. Okay, read now. So where are we now, EJ? Wow, that's the Philippine flag. Yes, that's it. Very good. What else? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So what's that? You read. What is that? Sige, read. Ruta ng Ekspedisyong Magallanes. Sige, read. Yeah. You read more? Oh. It's the battle. Is it nice? Is it nice? Wow. Okay. Oh, it is. Oh, let's go, let's go. Gini yang ganahan. This place is really nice. as I was sitting visit English breakfast. Are you happy? You're here? Mahilig ng mga logo-logo. Because, see? You really know. Because he is a logo maker someday. Right, baby? One of his goal in life. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Now we're here sa so it's like a park. So kung buntag ni siya ni ang dagat na yun. So as of now there you can see lightning. Careful. See. So is it Hunas? Ah, it is Hunas. Oh. Oh, there's no water. Just the lights. Yeah. You still remember? You, me, and Papa here? Oh. So that's the place here. Sunshine.
But we don't forget that.
What? Yeah. We're going there. Oh, let's go. Baby, say hi. Hi. So, nagtanaw mi ron ay nag-zumba here. May mag-zumba din. Zumba pa lang sila. Everybody talks to them. So, pahuway sa amin ni Bibi here. So, we will just watch my entertainment here. Na na na. Baby, give it up. Give it up. Baby, give it up. Okay, so now morning. Ngamong yet. Ah. Ay, tiya. Ay, tiya. Ah. They're shouting, baby, no? Why?